Hey, bro, I love this beat, dog. Man, it's energizing. You feel me? Instant energy, dog. I love this beat, fool. You know what I'm saying? OGs, youngins, day ones, new members alike, man. It's my man Young. DaveyMcFlyy. Two wise, bro. Matter of fact, I'm turning the motherfucker down, dog. I got this joint too loud. Yeah. Unk in the building, man. It's my man, yo, DaveyMcFlyy, two wise, ticking in, bro. With some fire. With some fire. Oh. God, bro, y'all see that gray coming? Man, I got a patch of gray coming in right in the front, bro. I ain't gonna die either, bro. Unk in the building, man. Unk in the building, bro. I ain't finna die nothing. We coming straight with it. You know what I'm saying, bro? Hey, well, you see gray hair Dave outside, salute, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all love and respect on my end. Hey, let's get into it. You know what I mean? Seen this post on Nice Kicks today. We losing one. We losing one, and it hurt, dog. We losing one, and for me personally, it hurt, dog. You know what I mean? As a fan of the beginning of the Kyrie era with Nike, oh my God, that was a special time, bro. It was a special time for me and sneaker YouTube. It was like, you know what I mean? I was moving and grooving. I was, hey, boy, dropping good bangers. You know what I mean? It wasn't all about Jordans, bro. I didn't have to buy Jordans to get views. I could just cop a pair of Kyries or cop some Currys in the beginning. It beautiful time. And Kyrie and Nike officially part ways. It sucked, bro. Damn, man. It sucked. We got a tweet from I'm assuming a Nike representative saying Kyrie is no longer a Nike athlete. Nike spokesperson say the sides have parted ways 1 month after Nike suspended its relationship with Net Star. Irving is one of the most popular signature shoes. He has one of the most popular signature shoes. I said he is. Bugging. Bugging. Irving has one of the most popular signature shoes in the NBA and is now a sneaker free agent. Dang, bro. Reebok, let's make this move, Reebok. Hey, I came up off them. Hey, Reebok, let's make this move. Come on, Bok. Come on, Bok. Reebok, let's go. That's all I'm gonna say. But dang, man, it sucks. It sucks. And in the same day news break, we picking up my dog Ja and Devin Booker. I feel like Nike replacing Kyrie with the two. Me personally, I feel like Ja Morant posted had a signature shoe about 2 years ago. And I do feel like Devin Booker is deserving of a sneaker shoe, of a signature sneaker. So make some noise for both of those guys, man. You know what I mean? We all as kids grow up either want to be down with that swoosh or the jump, man. You know what I'm saying? If I was an athlete, realistically, it would be Nike 1, Jordan Brand 2, Reebok 3, bro. You know what I'm saying? And seeing what Curry done with Under Armour and what Under Armour has done with Curry's shoes in the beginning, I would actually get in the lab I would get in the lab with Under Armour too, bro. Yeah, I would. I really would. Y'all say what you want, say what you want. I don't care. I'm me. I'm me. You do you. I'm man. I got gray hair. I ain't worried about what you punks think. I'm not thinking about you young street punks, man. I got whole gray hair in my head, fool. Anyway, yeah, man. Extremely happy for Ja. Super happy for Ja. D Booker too, bro, cause Devin Booker get buckets and he deserve it. You know what I'm saying? This same representative also tweeted Memphis Grizzly NBA star. Memphis Grizzly all NBA star. Let me get it right. All NBA star. Ja Morant in his new line to receive a new signature shoe at Nike, you know what I mean, in the near future. Sources tell The Athletic and at Stadium. The parties have been working on this for several months. Hey, so he's saying Ja in line to get it. He's saying Ja in line to get it. Nick DuPaula, I can pronounce that name. Another representative has stated upcoming Ja Morant and Devin Booker signature shoes for summer and fall 23 have been confirmed for months. Devin Booker, I'm guessing his reaction to it, that's the dream, to have a signature shoe that comes with winning. Hey, what? A signature shoe comes with winning. That's what I meant to say. Boy, DaveyMcFlyy is all over this joint, boy. A signature shoe comes with winning. When you're at the bottom of the conference, it's hard. I think my time will come. I put in the work. Once those wins start showing up, I think I'll be ready to go. And that's Devin Booker on a potential signature shoe in 2019. So, hey, this not his reaction to getting this was him manifesting it. This was him being patient. This was him, you know what I'm saying, hey, I know I gotta go out here and get some wins. We gotta get some dubs. Yeah, I'm a hooper, but my time gonna come, and I respect that. I actually like that a lot. I respect the grind. It show he a grinder. It show he patient, and it show he's dedicated. You know what I mean? It show he ain't just satisfied with making it to the league. Like, bro, yeah, bro. Yeah, we gotta get these dubs. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, who don't like a winner? Who don't like a winning mentality? You know what I'm saying? Who don't like a winning approach to the game? Even if you are at the bottom of the conference, I like that. I respect that a lot. So yeah, this was a question asked in 2019. This was his reply to a question asked in 2019. Actually, that's hard. Salute, book. Hey, Ja tweeted. Y'all know something I don't. He tweeted that a couple days, month ago. He tweeted that a while ago. Where the picture came out. I don't know when to retweet and all that, but Ja like, man, shit, I don't know what y'all folks talking about. I think this is Drake actually unveiling the sneaker. I'm not sure, but I've watched this part right here, and you really can't see nothing. Like, he lift up a sheet, dog. He finna lift up a sheet, and you really can't see nothing. I can't see nothing, can y'all? Like he got his hand on a case, just a black box, and he walking away from it. Like, I don't know, you can't really see nothing from that. You know what I mean? And there we go with the meme. So boom, bro. Ja and Bing, John Book next in line to get a signature shoe. We losing Kyrie. I personally feel like this is by design. Kyrie is definitely one of the biggest selling and the most popular athletes, signature athletes over there. So losing Kyrie, you gonna want to get that back. You know what I mean? And I see that they done picked up two killers, two guys who really deserve a signature shoe as well. And I'm super, super happy for both Ja and Book. So, damn, bruh. Bruh, Nike know how to put a Band-Aid on it, bruh. I felt like they cut us by the part or the split with Kyrie. I feel like that's a cut. You know what I'm saying? A real nice cut, but boy, picking up Bean and Ja, that's like putting a cool little Band-Aid on it. You got a Band-Aid with a hard ass Nike sign on it, and you want to show everybody like, look at my new Band-Aid, y'all. Like, that's exactly how I feel about it. I feel like I got hurt, but I got a dope ass Band-Aid. So, yeah. Y'all tell me how y'all feel about it, bro. OG's Yankees, day one's new members. You know it's always all love. I'll catch y'all on the next one, bro. Dang. Lost Kyrie, bro. Peace out.